What's up, everybody? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Amanda, back at it again with another video. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I silk press my own hair at home. So this is my hair at 4 days post relaxer. I had to rewash my hair because if you didn't watch if you didn't watch my past video, then you don't know that my hair went through a bit of a fight during relaxer day. So I just needed to wash my hair, get like a fresh start and a clean start. And I figured, why not do a silky silk press because we freshly relaxed. So this is my hair fresh out of the wash and deep condition. I washed my hair with the Creme of Nature sulphate free shampoo. I love this shampoo, guys. I absolutely love it. And then I deep conditioned for 30 minutes with the ORS replenishing conditioner. Again, another favorite of mine. And my hair feels so moisturized, so detangled, and just smells amazing. So I'm going to be using this argan oil leave-in conditioner for the very first time. I didn't know what to expect, but it actually exceeded my expectation. It's amazing. It made my hair feel so soft and it didn't weigh down my hair. So I'm just going to spray this all over my hair just to make sure my hair's got that conditioning, because this is the only type of moisturizer I'm going to be putting on my hair for the silk press. Follow that up with a heat protectant spray, because if you go use heat on your hair, don't put that heat on your hair without that heat protectant spray. Okay, your hair is gonna burn off. So that is what my hair is looking like after the leave-in conditioner and the heat protectant spray, and I start to blow dry my hair. So I have a new technique on how I blow dry my hair to give myself a blowout. I first start off with a cool shot and use my fingers to basically further detangle and dry my hair off. For the most part, I don't want to go in with my paddle brush yet because my hair is still relatively wet and I'm not trying to break off any strands. So after using my fingers to blow dry, I then go in with a warm heat and my wide tooth comb. Once my hair is about, let's say, 60% dry, then I go in with the paddle brush and the blow dryer to make sure that I'm actually stretching out my hair. So I found that this way I'm able to get my hair super straight without it feeling dry brittle. You know how heat can start to make your hair feel this dry brittleness? Yeah, this way I found that my hair actually feels very moisturized and moist even when I'm done blow drying it and stretching it out. And this is where the fun part begins, where we actually start to use the straightener. So the straightener that I'm using is the Clicks version straightener. It doesn't really have a heat setting, so I can't really tell you guys at what heat I was using my straightener at. But I did go ahead and spray some heat protectant spray again, because overkill, right? And because I had blown out my hair before this, straightening my hair was so easy and straight to the point. So I usually start off by first straightening my roots, and then I take a comb and I do the chase method and straighten the whole length of my hair. This allows me to get my hair like super straight without having to go over it with the straightener 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times. Okay, so please make sure that you do take the time to make sure your hair is as straight as possible in the blowout stage, just so that you're not overkilling your hair with the straightener.
Yeah.
Okay guys, so that is it. That is the whole video. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video and were able to get some tips from it. If you guys want to see how I trim my hair after this and then bump my ends, please do stay tuned for the next video because I'm going to have all those juicy details in that video. But without further ado guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. This is the face of a happy girl with a laid silk press. Okay, bye y'all.
Fight the car insurance regret monster.